In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text effects in Canva. If you've ever added a shadow, glow, outline, or any other style to your text and decided it's a bit too much, this quick walkthrough will get you back to a clean, simple look in just a few clicks. Start by opening your project in Canva, so you're looking at the design canvas. Give your design a moment to load, and make sure you're in the editor, not just the project thumbnail view. Now, click directly on the text that currently has the effect you want to remove. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and the text editing controls appear. If you have several text boxes on your page, take a second to pick the exact one with the shadow, glow, or other effect. A quick tip: if it's tricky to see the effect at a smaller size, zoom in a bit so the style is obvious. With your text selected, look up to the toolbar at the top of the editor. You should see an option labeled Effects. If you don't see it right away, double-check that your text is still selected. On smaller screens or tighter layouts, the Effects button might be tucked under a More Options menu, but it's always available when text is active. Click Effects to open the Effects panel. Here you'll see the different styles Canva offers, such as Shadow, Lift, Hollow, Splice, Echo, Neon, and more. Each of these adds visual flair by changing how your text looks, but to remove any applied style, you don't have to adjust sliders or reset settings individually. Simply click None. The moment you choose None, Canva removes the effect from that selected text, restoring it to a plain, clean appearance. You'll see shadows, outlines, glows, and similar enhancements disappear instantly. If you have multiple text boxes with effects, just repeat the same action for each one. Select the text, open Effects, and choose None. This keeps you in full control and ensures only the elements you want to change are updated. Remember, removing an effect doesn't alter your font, size, color, or spacing. It only clears the extra styling. And if you change your mind, you can always press Undo or reapply an effect later from the same panel. That's all there is to it. Open your project, select the text with the effect, click Effects, then choose None. Simple, fast, and clean. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.